Withdrawing money from MEXC is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth withdrawal. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the MEXC platform and log in using your credentials. Ensure that you are using a secure device and network. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet. Once logged in, locate the wallet section on the main dashboard. This is where you can manage your funds and initiate withdrawals. Step 3. Select Withdrawal. In the wallet section, find and click on the Withdraw option. This will take you to the withdrawal interface where you can specify the details of your transaction. Step 4. Enter withdrawal details. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw and enter the amount. You will also need to provide the wallet address where you want the funds to be sent. Double check the address for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your email for any notifications regarding the status of your transaction.